Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the ETRADE brokerage account. ETRADE is a popular online brokerage that's part of Morgan Stanley, offering commission-free trading on US stocks, ETFs, and options. It's beginner-friendly with no account minimum for brokerage accounts, and it also provides advanced tools for experienced traders. The mobile apps, especially PowerTrade, are highly rated for their smooth interface and real-time data. Investors can access a wide variety of assets, including stocks, mutual funds, bonds, options, and futures, but it doesn't offer crypto or fractional share trading. ETRADE also has retirement accounts and a robo-advisor called Core Portfolios, which requires a $500 minimum and charges a 0.30% annual fee. Research tools and educational content are strong, making it a great choice for those wanting to learn as they invest. However, the platform has received some criticism for customer service issues, such as delayed responses and account complications. There have also been occasional platform bugs and glitches, which have frustrated some users. Margin rates can be high and interest on cash balances may be lower than at other brokers. Still, ETRADE is considered reliable for long-term investors and active traders who want solid tools, diverse investment choices, and a sleek user experience. Just be cautious if you prioritize responsive support or want access to newer features like crypto or fractional shares. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.